Again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, wishing I knew where I put my glasses down. Oh darn. Okay, well, maybe it's not that important right now, but I kind of wish I had them. Okay, enough. So, I want to do a balloon roll, and hopefully that balloon will roll. And I have paints set to my side, and my idea is, because I'm a fan of Heather Matters, I'm going to just start, well, I guess I'm going to start with whatever my canvas will allow me to have. Which in that was the purple, and that is the white dioxidine purple, and I am just going to use an OXO omelet turning spatula to give myself paint that I will expect to pour puddle into, use a swipe card with, and hopefully I stop leaving all my paint in my way. Anyway, so balloon rolls being something I'm not overly familiar with, it ought to be fun and interesting. We'll see if it works better than what I tried to do a Dutch pour earlier, and that was that was an experience. I made it into something I like, but it certainly wasn't a Dutch pour. I really need to get some electricity out here that I can use, that my camera isn't plugged into at the same time. I get some beautiful cells there. It's not going to make any difference because whatever's happening next is going to obliterate whatever's there right now. And that's okay. That's all par for the course. I've got paint on my spatula, paint on my hands. Paint in my squeeze bottles is already pre-mixed with additives to help it flow more easily. I just want to have a nice wet background before I start to do what I recall Heather doing, but I tend to do things my own way anyway, so we'll see what happens. You never know. I'm not trying to make art, I'm just trying to cover the background. I tend to make art by accident anyway. I tend to look at everything as if it already is art. That's my MO. Everything inspires me, everything is art. So, now, I have a desire to put some more Prussian blue right over there. Actually, I just want to paint waves now, but this has got to be my own thing, and there's no doubt that it will be. And my idea is to use some black and some gold. And my color, some purple. Yes, no, maybe some turquoise, some more turquoise. Yeah, I got the... one day I'm going to sit down and take the half a day it will take me to unplug 20 bottles of paint. That is a white pearl from Anita's. I thought it might be the white, but it's not. So, I really have wanted some red. And it's open, so I'm just going to do it. I don't know what I'm going to get, but this is where I'm starting. And I want some of this color also. I really want some green gold. Don't ask me why. Something about the last painting I watched by Heather. And then I'm just gonna see where it takes me for now. I don't know what the exact viscosity of her paints are. I'm pretty sure mine are a little thinner, as per usual. I don't usually start with a swipe card at this early stage, but I don't mind if I do right now. because it's fun too. And like I said, I don't do anything like anybody else does, even if I'm using their original idea, which is pretty much anybody's idea. Once you put it on YouTube, it's there for the public to use. So I don't imagine I need to apologize for anything. But I do see that I love that purple in there, and I don't see enough of it. And is that this purple, or is it the other purple? I am temporarily missing the purple I'm looking for. Why? Why not? Oh, because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link, but that's absurd. Where's my purple? It's got to be right here. 1, 2. She was confused from the start. Well, I guess maybe I'm not meant to find that right now. I can't imagine why it's gone. Maybe that black is... No, that's not it. Well, I've got... There it is. Proverbially... Can't say that word right now. Right in front of me. I like the cells I've got. I don't want to see the end of them. I am going to use my balloon, but I think I'm going to take some paint off of my balloon roll sheet, which I have covered a piece of whatever, masonite or whatever it is, and left it over here to my left so that I could wipe things off. Now, a lot of times I know that Heather leaves her paint to set for up to 15 minutes, but I don't really have that 15 minutes. Not only do I not have that 15 minutes, I don't know how long I've got, because we just got hit by a major storm, and there's another one on its tail. But I am happy to just go ahead. It's a very misshapen balloon, by the way. Might take me a little practice to do this right. I hope I didn't get rid of all that purple, because it's beautiful purple. Back and forth and back. And right down the middle also. I think. Right over the side. Kind of want some more, kind of might want some more whatever. I don't know what yet. Let's see. That is, yep, that's the Anita's. I kind of completely understand why she would let her paint set up a little bit. I am thinking that I love this blue, and I want a little bit more of it. And as much as I would love to put chain in here, this is about the balloon rolls. I want some black down there, but actually I'll settle for Prussian blue. And I think I will settle for Prussian blue and gold. And wipe my balloon off. It's time to learn how to curve that puppy. I'm supposed to be somebody who has a certain amount of ability, so it's time to prove it. And we definitely don't use the same colors, so that should be fine. I think maybe a little more white over here, and maybe a wipe off. That's better. Still want some more of that purple. I'm getting the hang of it. Yes, that's it right there. It's a flick of the wrist. Why not just go everywhere? Oh, I like that. That's cool. I'm not so sure about those splashes. But I'm going to wipe off my balloon. It doesn't waste nearly as much paint as I thought it did. I want to go the other way. I'm going to have to be a little more careful so that I don't add these lines that I don't want. I wonder what it looks like without. I wonder what it looks like with my glasses. I'm kind of thinking that I like this copper, and I want to see what it looks like in there with the turquoise. I like that purple so much. I think I really need to just give myself permission to flick of the wrist again. And maybe some white also. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Heather. I paid attention to my last lesson. It looks a lot busy to me, but it doesn't matter because I can do whatever I want now. The same as I would. Keep working on it. I got 4 minutes left. I'm good with that. I've wanted to put some of the gold with the copper. Anyway, I'm going to have a mess to clean up. I can tell you that now. I'm trying to keep all my paint right on the canvas. I kind of want to pour some of that off or let some of it fall. So for me, that's the call of an edge catcher. But I think since this is a balloon roll, I'm going to give that a shot first. Yeah, that's better. Cool. Way different. Take that balloon roll paint off of there. Not bad for my second balloon roll. I think I'm going to have to take the torch to this. The black does not show through. I wonder, I think I will try to do what I was doing with the white with the black. Oh, there we go. Perfect. I get it now. Use the balloon as a paintbrush. Yeah, better. Better still. Better and better. So I'm going to take a chance that that black and this white will do something marvelous. Yep. And I'm almost ready to quit because I really don't want to destroy what I've got, and I like it a lot. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio. Check out my beautiful balloon. Telling you I do sell my artwork, and this painting will be for sale. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, now including balloon rolls. Where's my torch? There's my torch. I can't really see all of this, but I can see the colors. I know what I put down. The torch to release the bubbles in the paint. If you like the way my painting turned out and you want to look for my recipe, wait, come over here. Yeah, I want that balloon back right now. There we go. I do like the idea of blowing into this some places, for sure. But it is time to torch. So let me make sure I've got as many of the places that I can actually focus on. I might want to pounce that balloon all over my edges of my canvas. Yes, like I did the last time. Blend everything in. I recommend that, actually. Yeah, she's still working on it. Can't trust me. Oh, I like that, but I want more of it. Means I have to wipe off my balloon in between. Yes. Okay then. Excellent. Thank you, Heather. Awesome. More to come. Definitely fun. Still a little paint. Make some adjustments. So I think I was telling you, and the timer's about to go off and give me 2 minutes to tell you what I'm going to tell you, which is if you shop my Amazon link, it's under Show More underneath the video, and I would really appreciate that help. And I'm never done till I'm done, and you can't trust me a bit. And I threw that balloon into my bucket, and I think I should have kept it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate my shirt with all the paint I can manage, and I'll put some more of that on there. I wonder if I put white and purple together, if I would get the joint benefit of that. Oh yeah, cool. Still tapping. Alright, I'm not putting that in the bucket again just in case. So I do sell my artwork, I mentioned that. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are underneath the video. If you're looking for products with my designs or art on them, I have links at Facebook on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for fans and collectors. I love you guys. There's 80,000 of you. I would appreciate very much having your thumbs up if you wouldn't mind giving me one. That would be very nice. I appreciate all the comments and the compliments you give me, and I see another place I want to put another balloon roll. And I'm going to do that. So I just put a circle on, and I'm going to use another color with it because I want both of those colors to be there. Ah, and now it's covered with paint and very, very slippery. So I've got to wipe that off before I do anything and hope for the best. Ah, now that's perfect. That's just absolutely gorgeous. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, forgetting whatever it is the last thing I was supposed to tell you. Other than, oh, there's a monthly drawing, and if you're interested in being included in it, it's a $10 donation to help keep me painting. And the exhibition video will be on the end screens of this video and every other video eventually. Whenever I get around to it, which is probably sooner than later, since I want you guys to be able to see what I've been up to. If you're looking for current work that's available, a lot of times you can find that on my Instagram feed, which is also available on my website, and that's also on the last 20 seconds of the video. My website is the lower right hand corner. And the Instagram feed, it's nice if you find something you want to purchase on YouTube, in the title of the description of the video next to the hashtag is a number. That is a file number. That is the number where I can easily find what you're looking for if you want to help me with that. So I love you guys. Take care. This is Priscilla. I said that. I'll see you anon.